Hi kids. So yeah, we are going to look at the part of a plant. The seed has grown to a plant. Now we are going to look at the parts of the plant. Before we go about looking at the parts of the plant, we said plants are very similar to humans, right? Just like we have our own body parts like our eyes, hands, legs, hearts. So do plants have different parts and different functions. Before we go to the different parts of the plant, I'm going to show you a plant. I made a little game cut out of plants and I mixed them up, and now I'm trying to make a plant with it. First, I will put the roots, because you know the parts of the plant: the roots, the stem, the flower, and the leaves. So we have the roots. Remember, the roots are brown. After the roots, what comes next? We have the stem. Remember, the roots support the plant in the soil. The stem helps to take the food and water and minerals from the soil to the leaves and the flower. And after the stem, what comes next? We have the leaves. Can you see the leaves? And after the leaves, we have the flower. Now I have my beautiful plant here of a flower. Do you love my plant? So the parts of the plant, we have the roots, roots. Next we have the stem. This is the stem. After we have the flowers, the leaves, the leaves, leaves. And lastly we have the flower, flower. So we have four parts of a plant: the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. Very good. Now we have this small exercise in the book. It says, look at, these are plants. We have the flowers, we have trees, they are all plants, okay? Look at the pictures and color the plants green. Remember, plants are green. We have to color the stem brown. Color the stem brown with the roots brown. The leaves, you have to color the stem, you have to color the roots. The roots and the stem of the plant brown. After that, what's the color of the leaves? These are the roots, brown, the stem brown. Color the leaves green. I'm just going to do a few for you. Color the leaves green. And the flowers, maybe you want a pink flower, so color your flower pink. I want pink here, and I want maybe purple. I want this purple. I want this purple. Okay, now this plant has different parts. We are going to label the parts of the plant. Remember, we have to say the sounds to be able to write the parts. First of all, we have the root. What are the sounds in root? R, U, T, S. Let's write. R, U, T, S. Root. Good job. The next part of the plant is the stem. Let's say the sounds in stem. Stem. Let's go. In your book, you have to put the lines, okay, for the parts: the roots, the stem, the flowers, and the flower, the leaves and the flower. Put the lines and write the parts. Next, we have the leaves. L, E, this is one leaf. If you have many, we say leaves, okay? Now we have the flower. Let's say the sounds in flower. L, So we have the roots, stem, leaf, flower. Here you have to color also the tree. You have to color the tree. Make sure you color the tree green. Remember, the leaves on the trees are green. The stem of the tree brown, the roots brown. Here we have a rabbit, and what's the rabbit doing? The rabbit has uprooted the carrot from the soil. Do you think this carrot is gonna grow in the rabbit's mouth? No, it's only gonna survive or grow in the soil. So as the rabbit has taken off the carrots cannot grow anymore. And rabbits love to eat carrots, you know that, right? Now draw some more roots under the ground to hold the plant in the soil. Now you have to draw more roots, okay? You know what we mean when we say roots. This is your pencil. Draw more roots. Draw more roots. Draw more roots, okay? Draw more roots. Draw more roots. More roots. You can draw as much as you can. This is also a tree. The tree has different parts, just like this. It has branches, different branches. It has leaves. These are the leaves, a lot of leaves. It has the tree trunk. In this part of the plant we call the stem. It has flowers. These are the flowers. It has the tree produces some fruit, and the tree also has roots, just like the plants, the flowers have. Thank you.